What's up YouTube? Welcome back to another video on Mr. Junior Dev, and today I'm going to show you guys how you can advertise your YouTube channel on Google Ads. So I'm going to take you through the step-by-step process. Okay, so let me not waste any more of your time. Let's get straight to it. The very first thing you guys need is a Google account. You need to open a Google account, and once you've got your Google profile, then you can head over to Google Ads. Google Ads, advertise on Google, and then go ahead and start now. As you can see, I've already got my own account, so I've had it for quite some time. So I'm just gonna, you put in all your details, and they're gonna ask you for all sorts of information. Once you've created your Google account and your Google AdSense account, then what you can do is you can head over here to new campaign, and then create a campaign. If it's for your YouTube channel itself, then what you can do is you can go ahead and create a campaign without goals guidance, because the rest is for sales, leads, website traffic, brand, product and brand consideration, depending on your niche, depending on what your needs are. So I'm going to go ahead and create campaign without goals guidance. Over to create video. Then right after that, what I'm going to do is select the campaign subtype. So I'm going to select non-skippable, in stream, continue. Okay, you can put a campaign name here. So I'm just going to call my campaign name 2022. I'll be ready for us. Okay. And then you can bid strategy, select your bid strategy, target CPM. I'm going to target CPM, cost per mile. Yeah, I'm trying to get as much views as possible. Yeah, how much you want to spend on a daily basis. So I'm going to just put here, for instance, £10 per day. Then I'm going to just change this to, I'm going to run this video ad promotion from the 18th to the 31st of this month. Right after that, what you can do is you can select languages. I want everybody to see my ads. I can select languages, or if you like, you can just select English, because my ads are in English, so I might as well do that. I'm just going to select English, and I'm going to also select Portuguese. Some of my ads have some Portuguese within it. So select locations to target. I'm going to target all countries and territories that are English speaking, right? And then inventory, I'm just going to select standard. Right after that, you can add types and labels. Add group name. I'm not going to add a group name. I'm going to leave it as is. Demographics, age, gender, you can change that if you can target any audience you'd like within a certain demographics, male, female, all of that. You can add your audience segments, web development. I'm just going to say I'm going to target all of them. So I'm just going to leave it as is. You can add keywords as well if you like. I can add keywords like Google or software, programming, crypto, you name it. Whatever your video is about. Once I've done that, you can only, I think in the keyword section, you can only add up to 80 characters if I'm not mistaken. And then topics, you can add your topic. I'm not going to add a specific topic. maybe everyone is interested in this field. So let's see, placement. I'm going to just select all YouTube channels, YouTube videos, lineups, websites, apps. So it's going to ask you for your URL. So I'm going to head over to the video that I'm going to select. So let me head over to, so I've got this video over here, and basically what I'm going to do now is I'm going to paste the URL here, and I'm going to go ahead and call this ad developer noodles. For under £1. Okay. So once I've done that, I'm going to do it here as well. Otherwise, it's going to take me to the wrong path. Call to action. I'm just going to say call to action, subscribe. Let me just put in Mr. Junior Dev. Okay, once you've done that, you can also upload images, but I'll just auto-generate the images that are used there. So, and go ahead, go to done. Right, and then it's gonna ask you for target CPM bid. Your target CPM cost per 1,000 impressions bid is the average amount that you're willing to pay for every 1,000 times that your ad gets viewed. You can just put in £2, or you can put in £1. Currently £2 is good. Your bid is set to the amount that's spent, all budget and help improve. Just put in £1 because Google's always trying £1.32, £1.39. Because Google's always trying to make you spend more than you should. So top content bid. Okay, then go ahead and say create campaign. Congratulations, your campaign is ready. Okay, continue to campaign. Okay, so here's my campaign, it's ready, and then they've got all your data and your analytics. You can view all your data and analytics within the page. And that's it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give me a like and obviously subscribe to my channel. Much appreciated. Peace out. See you guys soon.